Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what you have and why it failed. Inspect the strap material and the connector type. This determines which parts you can replace versus repair. Once done, remove the strap using the correct tool, gentle pressure with a spring bar tool for pins, or press the quick-release lever if present. Make sure to work on a soft surface to avoid scratching the watch. Keep the small parts in a tray so nothing rolls away while you prepare replacements. Now you move to the detailed repair work. Carefully remove the spring bars and examine them under good light. Replace any that are bent, rusted, or whose springs are weak. For leather, trim frayed edges and restitch weakened seams, using small, even stitches so the strap keeps strength. If you have a metal link strap, reseat or replace loose pins with matching sizes. Once parts are swapped, test fit the strap so the connectors seat flush and the watch sits straight on the wrist. Finish by reinstalling the strap and confirming secure attachment. Press each spring bar into its lug until you hear or feel the click. For quick release, ensure the lever snaps back. Then wear the watch and move your wrist through common motions to detect any slipping. If you notice looseness or intermittent detachment, replace with a thicker or higher-rated spring bar or try a different strap width. If problems remain, contact the manufacturer for proprietary parts. This avoids damaging lugs or invalidating warranties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.